sickness and a lot of madness in our weather too this time of the year.
Yeah.
We've had a lot of rain.
A lot.
Some areas seeing, significant flooding concerns because of it, and more rain overnight.
Yeah, I think it's going to ramp up again and become more concentrated again for the morning commute. So this is going to be a little problem, and so is that fog, which is already pretty thick. That's a view right now at UIndy where it's 55 degrees. So the temperatures have gone up, but we're really waiting for this front that has been rather reluctant to move north to really surge north and bring us some warmer, drier air. So we've been increasing the temperatures, but we've been sending wave after wave of downpours. That's the visibility and the reduced visibility with some heavy fog here at UIndy on the south side. Look at the fog here at Civic Plaza and some raindrops in the mix as well. On the radar, it isn't a lot of rain right now. We had the big surge between 4 and 8 o'clock, and then that has moved off to the north and east. We're still sitting here stagnant in the fog and 55 degrees. There's a few raindrops around Lawrence that we saw on the radar or on the camera in just a moment ago, but not much in the area just yet. That will fill in with time. Starting to get a few heavier downpours in the southern Johnson County. Heavy downpours that were running from Seymour to just south of Greenfield. Those areas down towards Decatur County and out towards Ripley County, those are still under flash flood warnings after they picked up a quick 2 inches of rain and created the flash flooding there that was ongoing for a few hours. But note south of I-70 how we're starting just within the last hour to start to get a few more pops on the radar. That'll be increasing again over the next few hours. Flash flood warnings are out until 11:15 to 11:45 in southeastern portions of the state. The entire southern half of the state is essentially under a flood watch. This is the rainfall from just midnight through this evening. You can see the band of heavy rain that prompted the flash flood warning south of the Greensburg and into Decatur County. And there's the rainfall. We've had 1.12 inches of rain in Indianapolis, but this is the 2-day rainfall. And look at how heavily the rain has fallen from essentially Terre Haute all the way to Connorsville and even north of Cincinnati. That area of heavier reds includes 3, 4, 5, and approaching 6 inches of rains in some localized spots. Indianapolis has had a 3.71-inch rainfall tally. That's the largest 2-day total since early April last year. So we had a record-setting rain yesterday. We added that, and we're going to add to more of it here soon as the night progresses and as we get into our Thursday morning. Out west, Brazil, Cloverdale, big numbers here, over 6 inches out towards Clay and Owen County, out towards Putnam County, Johnson County, Bargersville at 4.23 inches. The areas of north central Indiana that desperately need the rain haven't received a lot of rain just yet. You will get a little more and get a little bit more into the mix up towards, say, Marion and Muncie, over towards Tipton and Kokomo. A very stagnant atmosphere. Look at the visibility. It's down to a quarter mile at the airport and even lower into Hendricks County. And here comes more rain. It is surging along the front from southern Illinois, and that's the wet weather that moves in overnight. We could get another additional 1 to maybe 3 inches of rain, and that's why these flood watches are still in effect, and they run until noon tomorrow. Downstate is where it was much warmer, and that's where they had severe thunderstorm watches earlier in the day. Those have been lifted, but it'll be this warm front that lifts north with time as the jet stream points in from the south and west, and it really begins to buckle, allowing the wet weather to move north and the air temperatures to rise. We'll get into some drier time beginning tomorrow afternoon and evening. I want to touch on something really quick. Remember, it's winter, and while we may have another 7 to 10 days of really mild air, this bitter cold is alive and well here, and it may still be ripe for the taking. Friends, I'm here to tell you, we haven't seen the last of cold weather. Enjoy the next 7 to 10 days because it will be above average. In fact, maybe even pushing to near record high temperatures here by Friday. But first, we have to deal with more of those downpours to start the day on Thursday. By mid-morning to early afternoon, there will be some scattering. There will be a lull in the action. We will likely see more selective rainfall moving forward Thursday night into Friday morning, but it will be Friday morning that the front really starts to take shape and move north, and that's when we can uncork the really warm weather, likely surging well into the 70s. We've got heavier downpours through daybreak. Again, an additional 1, I'd say even as high as 3 inches of rain is possible, and then we get into a temperature that may be as high as 75 degrees on Friday. That's the warmest of the year and would touch even a record for the date as well. So new downpours are arriving here as we head towards daybreak, 52 and rising, heavy fog too in the area overnight. 67 tomorrow as we scatter the rain and it begins to become a little less concentrated. We get to 74 on Friday, but new rains on Saturday morning knock the temperatures down to what I feel will be a beautiful second half of the weekend. Still very mild next week, but keep an eye on what's happening late in that 7-day period. That could be 68 and falling on Wednesday, and some colder times may be on the horizon. Stay tuned.